Down, down, up, down, up, up. Hey guys, welcome back. I totally fucked up. I tried a different program to record, and it totally sucked. It didn't record at all, and so I did the whole Crusader tournament, and then it did, yeah, frustrating. So figured out what was wrong, fixed it. So I'm gonna go back and do the Crusader tournament again. Even though you see I've already done it here. So I'm just gonna do the whole thing over again, I guess. And that's frustrating, but that's alright. Free software. Can't be too upset. So this is, I only have the Hunter Mine Launcher, but if you look, like, I continually get ammo back. And that's kind of neat. Last time I had a huge problem with running out of ammo, though. So I'm hoping to not have that problem this time. And be more conservative with my ammo. And it gained a level last time, so I'm glad it's gaining a level this time, too. That's great. Shows that the leveling system works. Okay, you die.
Terminating with extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we?
Those fucking guys.
Have you ever seen the Diablo in the pale moonlight? I have, and it's fantastic.
They so rarely hit, and then as soon as I say that, they'd fucking kill me. Really? 3 shots to kill that guy? Okay, I did kill that one already. Whoa! I narrowly went between that. Gonna wait, yes. Fire 2 mines. And there's no, yep, right there. Gonna get rid of some guys. And we're on the last round here, so I'm dead. Wow. Look how many fucking guys there are. Jesus. Okay, that's... Oh my god. Do I just have to kill the... Why am I not... Okay. I didn't have it equipped. I was like, what the fuck? Alright. So, normally I would get points and everything for that, but... Stupid thing. Also, there was a cinematic that you missed. It was funny. I'll, like, put a link to it or something.
This time, Ratchet is utterly doomed. We've wired his Dread Zone collar to 4 control nodes placed in the arena. If he can't stop their countdown in time, the whole audience gets a fresh serving.
Alright, so this is... Woo! Why do I almost jump into those things? Frozen. This is the best mod. Yeah, just start... There you go. See, that's going to drop the thing down, and then I'm going to grind on it. Get out of here. Whoa, those were look at those, they're totally off. That's kind of hilarious. Nope, that didn't work. We're going to swap back to these, because they seem to be working pretty well. Last time, I totally missed that there was a thing there. And so I just didn't, I did the whole thing, and then later came back and saw that I had missed that. Which was mildly stupid. Only mildly, though. Anybody who says that it was any more than that is not right. God, these things, they just shoot so twitchily. It's hard to tell Alright, Arbiter level. That's gonna help a lot, actually. Okay. Oh, what mod was it? I didn't look at what mod it was. Still have 2 minutes remaining. I got plenty of time to do this one.
His butt out there, Juanita. Looks like we might have another popper on our hands.
Popper?
Oh, I hope so. This time I brought a shower cap.
Ah. I like that I gained a level from just blowing up those things.
Just like being
Ammo mod. That's going to be really important. I'll explain why in a bit. Because I'm going to be cryptic. Oh, oh Jesus! I wonder if I just died right there. That'd be great. That'd be great if I did. Okay, so now this is why I had problems. Well, watch how much fucking life this guy has. So M mod, so I get 2 additional shots of this. So we're gonna find out is
Gonna smack that stupid look off your face.
And when I was fighting this guy, I totally had forgotten what his moves were. Okay, so see, now he's going over to an area. An area? A new area.
I'm gonna put you in a world of hurt.
Remember, don't try any of this at home. Go to a friend's house.
Yep. So I learned last. Oh fuck! No. The good times to change ammo, change weapons, is fuck. Is after he's already done that. Not during. So yeah, you gotta jump first and then do it. Because if you do it during, for some reason it absolutely rapes you. So you gotta like not move every single time, so that you have room to do this. Because oh Jesus. Alright, no, I think I'll get him. Oh no, I will not. I was not sidestepping enough. Okay. More of the sidestep this time. Well, it's not that my bots don't get to come with me.
Stupid look off your face.
So he gets close and you gotta do that. So yeah, that's the end of that round. It's pretty easy.
I'm gonna put you in a world of hurt.
Damn. Trying to get him to pop the ammo things for me so I can keep using this. Because I hate, there's nothing worse than like...
Have you ever wondered what's in the special sauce?
Whoa. Like, I don't want to get like 10 ammo from the, for, you know, like the shotgun thing. I'd rather have shots from the Arbiter or the sniper rifle, since those are significantly more powerful. Good. See, now I don't have a whole lot of space here to juke. I would rather have more space. Woo! I also learned that the flail does not work at all. Don't try like hitting him in between. You see, I can pause a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Don't do it. What am I down to? Hunter mine launcher. He's got such low life. I think I can Viper him. I definitely can. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that might have appeared to be easier but I promise you, ugh, it was hard the first time. Okay, but I did get some new shred challenges, and I apologize for having to replay that. That was kind of stupid, and not nearly as entertaining as it should have been.
Dark Star versus the robot zombies. The zombie team just flew in from Catacomb.
So, oh, I also, yeah, I just bought these things. These things are cool. So they, shoot, I just realized I didn't put a thing on it. What do I want? I'm gonna put shock mod. That's gonna, or shock mod. I'm gonna put shock mod on there. Also, give me that back. No? Okay. Oh, they're dead tired. No, nah. Whoop. Whoop. Oh, Jesus. Okay, well, that deal with the hunter, I'll pretend like that was why I died. Okay. They're slow at the beginning, and then they speed up. I don't like when they speed up. Here we got an arbiter. Whoa. For a while there, the shotgun was my biggest damage weapon. It's no longer. Or, I don't know, not biggest damage. Highest level.
Oh, this is more fun than a busload of cheerleaders.
It's not though. I mean, it's not. I don't think he's qualified to speak on that subject. Shit.
Ratchet's out for blood.
What hit me there? Wait, one of them has a gun? Oh no, they just put a guy with a gun in. That seems fair. 10 shots, 2 shots left. I gotta go find something. Shotgun. Oh! You see how much life? They take a full arbiter shot and they're just shrugging it off. See now this guy. Yup. Fuck, where's the mod? The flail, that's not great. This also not great. Oh, I just picked up the flail again! Shit! Oh, the other guy's coming. Why does that keep happening? Why do I... Okay, I just need to move away from them. Okay, we're gonna do this. Was that a time or a kill thing? I don't know. Got a skill point, though. Okay. I also unlocked a planet last time, and yeah, this is lame to just tell you that I did these things. Heavy metal. Yes.
Let's find out what our next challenge is.
Wait, it says I
Hey,
can...
whoa, I can't read that. Who's writing these cues, huh? Oh, look, there's a typo. That's completely grammatically incorrect. And, hey, now, where's my lunch? I'm hungry. What are you people doing back there?
Oh, I can... Okay, I'm so used to not being able to swap to whatever I want to. Are you sticking around? Because the Arbiter has something to say about that. I don't... Why...
Just a reminder.
Oh, I just got life, too. Shit. The life was coming at me, and it was like, I can save you! And then it totally didn't. It says I can throw these little things. I can throw the EMP at this, but I don't think that's actually going to be helpful. Whoa. Well, totally missed there.
What I want to know is how Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit.
That'd be great if those things. These, man. Oh, Jesus. It's alright, got some life out of the deal. Do I need to kill that thing or no? Yes, I do. Okay. Okay. Arbiter time. Big guy. Nope, zombies.
I think Ratchet is slowing down a little.
Whoa. Getting a little bit overwhelmed here. Just a little bit though. Shit. Is he looking at me? He's looking at me. Shit. Ah! Ugh. God. Okay. One thing I noticed is that if you want to... The next one's called End Zone. And that's a really good one for power leveling your weapons. Just putting the lightning mod on. Just keep firing and don't stop for any reason. Because you kill so many things that you get ammo. You kill so many things that you didn't. Well, you know, like people like randomly they'll they die. It's that thing only. It's well, I'm just gonna sit next to so yeah.
Looks
So when
like
that
Team
happens.
Darkstar is going to be Team Dead Star pretty soon.
Is it getting a level? It is. I paused it at just the right time. Oh, ammo mod. I wonder if that means it's going to give me ammo, like full ammo. 7. I went from 0 to 7. Not counting all of the... all the ammo boxes that came out of that.
You know, I got to get me one of those battle suits, Juanita.
Can I really kill those guys in 2 shots? That's wonderful if I can. I think these little red nodes just hurt me if I step into them. I don't think they actually... I think he's going for my other box. I'm good. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Jeez. Oh. The screen is actually like slowing down. The game's slowing down because there's so much stuff on the screen. Oh. This is only round 5. Oh my god. Okay. One more. Oh, big thing. Die. Ooh. More big guys. Ooh. He's looking right at me. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. 113 kills. Oh, man. Okay. So, that one was kind of nuts. Watch launch this. I'm just going to use one weapon. I'm going to use the mini turret launcher that I have. So let's swap that to. Oh, I already have the lightning mod on it. Okay, I wonder if I planned that ahead of time. Okay, so watch.
Hold on to your seats, folks. It's time to
it's
play
here.
Swarmer Soccer. To win, Ratchet must prevent swarms of charging enemies from reaching the
Okay,
goal
so
zone
the
any
thing
way
is
they
that
can.
there's this goal zone back here, and I need to make sure that they don't hit that. See these things? I just set them up, and then they have a set amount of shots before they just explode. So the only thing I need to do is keep killing them. I'm actually running low on ammo, so I wonder if this low, if I'm not going to be able to do it. So I'm
They say war is hell, Juanita, but where does that
gonna
leave
have to kill a
Dread
couple of
Zone?
these guys with this thing. Yeah, see that gained a level, right? Okay, now here we go. So now everything's.
Dark Star is in rare form tonight.
Oh, there's a big guy. Yeah, after I kill the big guy, I think I'm gonna swap back to the. I know. Look how much money I'm getting. See now there's just like tons of ammo up here. So whenever I get low, I can just kind of run up here. See back here, just shitloads of ammo. Alright, now it's level 3. So remember it started at level 1 with 50. Oh crap, there's something back here. Okay, there they go. You see my getting kind of low, so I need to run up here and just run. I don't even need to do anything special, just get all the things. No, get this guy. I might even lose this one just because I don't quite have the power to kill him. Level 4, so just keep going. Keep going. Finding bots. Come on, kill it. Yeah, so just another 3 seconds. Yeah, but see how much, I don't know if you saw how much money I got, but that was a decent chunk of money. I am going to off-screen level out a little bit, and we're at time anyway. So I'm just going to level up a couple of my weapons, and then I'll start recording again when I'm done with that, alright? So, see ya.